Hello everyone. Before starting the question, brief info about me. I'm Alihan. Got my bachelor's in mathematics last year. Then I worked in several industries and I've been into data analysis for about last 5 months seriously. And I've been using the platform Analyst Builder as my go-to resource. And in this video, I will be solving a moderate level question, both with SQL and Python. So let's get started. Okay. And question, this is my reference on Analyst Builder months ago. And these are my badges. Basically, I don't know anything about R. And my certificates. Lastly, I finished the Pandas course. Yeah, okay. Let me go through the question. First, I usually check the data types and preview the data. The order ID in integer, product in text, product price. Estimated return price, float. Okay, let's preview. Okay, we have some. Okay, these are the same numbers. Some of them are the same, so we may need a group by, possibly. Okay, we have product price and estimated return price. So let's mention Amazon returns. Amazon has made changes to their return policy to improve cost efficiency. Okay. Instead of processing returns for individual items, they are now considering entire orders for return. This approach is based on a cost-benefit analysis, where if the return costs outweigh potential profits, customers are allowed to keep the products and receive a full refund. Okay, that's the main part of the question, I believe. That's a nice policy. Parts. I mean whether to initiate a return, Amazon calculates shipping and processing costs for the entire order. Okay, for the entire order. These costs exceed the anticipated profit. The customer is not required to return the products. Okay. This determines our approach in the question. I will explain. Given that Amazon typically earns a 15% profit per product sale, that's the point. Okay. Design a query to identify the order IDs. Okay, to identify the order IDs, I believe only, right? Yes. In the select statement, we need only the order IDs done. Okay, let's comment this. Only order ID. Amazon will permit customers to keep their products considering the new return policy. Okay, by their policy, obviously we need the group by the way, because there are the same order IDs column. That's first, right? By on ID. Their policy is basically sum of stock price times 15% profit, say less than, and we don't include the equal sign because it should directly exceed the profit. sum of the estimated return price. Am I right? Let me check. Okay. Yes, we need the IDs that show the customers keep their products. So this is correct. Okay. Get off this limit statement, and remember we need only the order ID. I believe there are several ways to do this. At first sight, you may think like we need either subqueries or cities for this. I think we can do all of them. Okay, let me start with the subquery ID. Some of okay, I can as total maybe total makes sense a bit. Okay, sorry. Yes, as total return price. Yep. Then obviously to take the sums, need the group by on Friday, right? And by the policy they have, need the having clause. Can't use the where clause here because it's after the group by and it's on the summed parts. Take this, and it should be less than, strictly less than price, right? And let's just run this code first to see what happens. Okay, check if this is correct first. This is less than. Yeah, basically this seems right, but we need only the order ID column. Okay, first the subquery, select order ID. Yeah, I can do like that. What should we call this? We need a name for the subquery table. I can call this group table. I'm not sure. That's a sense, let me say. Okay, that doesn't make much sense, but I will call it prices. Okay, prices. Okay, basically that's that. That should work. Okay, should be the answer. This is correct, I believe. Let's check. Yeah, it's correct. Now let's do the CT. Should get rid of this. Okay, with prices. It has. And basically we need to select the order ID. The policy. Yeah, that's that, I believe. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Now I believe this is the most elegant solution for this question. Okay, so instead of using the aliases in the having clause, we can directly take these statements. And now we can get rid of this, and this should work. Do you believe me? Let's run the code. Yes, here you go. The most elegant solution for this one, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not sure. But okay, let's first check the answer. And let's try this in Postgre too. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we need to order this by order ID. The default is ascending, so this should work. But I usually include the ascending answer. Okay, nice. And the MS SQL part should be the same too. Run the code. Yes, answer. Let's go. Now we need in Python. So on Analyst Builder, they give us the data sets as pandas data frames. So we don't need something like this. The usual stuff. We don't need that here. Let's see the data frame. Yeah, the same data frame here. The head. Okay. Now in this case, obviously we need the group by two here too. ID. Now I will use the function ag here, aggregate function. Because through this function, I can rename the columns, the summed columns, let me say, directly beforehand. So I can call this total product profit. And here I will need the product price. I will take the sum of it. And right now, since I will take the 15% profit on this, I will need a function, the lambda function here, and I will use it like this. And let me call the other one total earn price. Take this, and yeah, this is okay. Now, if you run this as it stands, it won't give us the order ID column. That's right. Yeah. So it gives us the summed columns, but to get the order ID column, we need to reset index like this. Okay. Yeah. And okay, it seems right. And we have to filter this out. So take this under a variable group, maybe. Sense. Third, that. Total product strictly less than. Nice. And this, yes, see, same order IDs here too. Need to select those now. Okay, ID. Run the code. Here we go. The correct answer. By the way, if you do it like this, it won't work. Okay, this won't work. Okay, run the code. Correct. And that's all for this one. Thank you very much. See you in the next solution, let me say. Okay, see you.